1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1.
We need an ambulance dispatch to Pelona Beach Stop.
Yung training namin dito sa Underwater Rescue Unit ay nag-mold sa amin na maging focus sa isang bagay. Maging kalmado sa lahat ng sitwasyon at lalo na we're dealing with the underwater. At yung pakiramdaman naming mga rescue divers sa isa't isa, lalo na hindi talaga madali yung ginagawang rescue operation o retrieval operation sa dagat.
BFP Panglao Underwater Rescue Unit now adapts modern technology. As an underwater drone pilot, it gives us the confidence to locate the victim efficiently and survey the area for safety purposes before the rescue divers dive in for retrieval operation.
Ang BFP Underwater Rescue Unit ay conceptualized to provide underwater rescue services to our constituents, lalo na sa mga tourist destinations. So, masasabi natin na yung mga bombero natin, hindi lang pang sunog, hindi lang pang disaster, hindi lang pang calamities, but also we can provide special services like underwater rescue.
It is a laudable move on your organization for creating an underwater rescue team. It is a welcome development, especially that the town I oversee, lead, and manage is a coastal municipality. It is also praiseworthy to note that your empowered team is the first in the island province of Bohol as far as the Bureau of Fire Protection is concerned. And with that, allow me to extend my warmest salutation to you, Inspector Brad Pitt Lopez, and your lion-hearted men.
The Bureau of Fire Protection Bohol, under the stewardship of the undersigned, is proud to announce that apart from the usual activities that the Bureau will deliver to the public, to the Boholano people, is the introduction of the Underwater Search and Rescue Unit, which is an extended services of the Special Rescue Unit of the Bureau of Fire Protection, which is the first and only here in Bohol, and it is considered as the pilot unit in the entire Bureau of Protection office. I am proud to announce that the unit in Panglao, Bohol, the Bureau of Protection Panglao, is already capacitated, and it is manned by competent BEP personnel, equipped with diving gears and other equipment which is necessary, especially in the actual events of sea emergencies and other diving activities may it happen not only in Panglao but in the entire island of Bohol. We would like to commend the leadership of the acting municipal fire marshal of Panglao Fire Station, Fire Inspector Ben Bradford Lopez, for this initiative, and hopefully this team or this unit will be replicated not only in the island municipality of Panglao but in other tourist destination islands here in the province.